Today I am reviewing the ZAFRO 8000 BTU Portable Air Conditioners. If at any time you'd like to explore this product for yourself and grab it at a great price, be sure to check the links below the video. First, let's talk about its cooling capacity. With 8000 BTUs, this ZAFRO portable air conditioner is designed to rapidly lower the temperature of medium-sized rooms. This makes it ideal for bedrooms, home offices, small apartments, or dorms where a large window, AC, or central air conditioning might not be feasible. The unit cools quickly and consistently, giving you a refreshing and comfortable environment during hot days. What really stands out about this model is its energy efficiency. Unlike many bulky air conditioners that consume a lot of electricity, the ZAFRO 8000 BTU Portable AC has been engineered with energy savings in mind. Thanks to its advanced compressor technology, it consumes less power while maintaining excellent cooling performance. This means you stay cool without worrying about a big jump in your electric bill, a big win for budget-conscious users. The ZAFRO unit also offers 4 different modes to suit your needs: cool, dehumidifier, fan, and sleep. The cool mode is perfect for everyday hot weather, while the dehumidifier mode is great if you're dealing with damp or humid conditions, helping to reduce moisture in the air and making your room feel fresher. The fan mode can circulate air without cooling, which is ideal for mild days, and the sleep mode gently lowers noise and adjusts the temperature for a peaceful night's rest. Speaking of noise, this portable air conditioner runs at a quiet 45 decibels, which is roughly the noise level of a quiet conversation or a library. This low noise level means it won't disturb your sleep, work, or relaxation, making it an excellent choice for bedrooms or study areas. Mobility is another major benefit of the ZAFRO Portable AC. Weighing just under 43 pounds and equipped with smooth rolling wheels, it's easy to move the unit from one room to another without any hassle. This is perfect if you want to use it in different parts of your home throughout the day or season. Installation is also straightforward. Simply connect the included exhaust hose and window adapter to your window, and you're ready to go. The setup is designed to be user-friendly, even for those who may not be very tech-savvy. Maintenance is simple with this air conditioner as well. It comes with removable and washable double-layer air filters that help keep the air fresh and clean. The manufacturer recommends cleaning the filter every 2 weeks for the best performance. This helps ensure the air quality remains high and the unit continues to run smoothly over time. Finally, ZAFRO provides dedicated customer support for this product, promising quick responses and helpful assistance within 24 hours if you run into any issues. This kind of service adds peace of mind, knowing that if you ever have a question or need help, support is readily available. To sum it up, the ZAFRO 8000 BTU Portable Air Conditioner is a fantastic option if you want a compact, efficient, and quiet cooling solution for medium-sized rooms. Its combination of powerful cooling, energy efficiency, multiple modes, and ease of mobility make it a versatile choice for anyone looking to beat the heat comfortably. Whether you're in a dorm, apartment, or bedroom, this unit delivers reliable comfort with convenience. If you want an affordable, easy-to-use air conditioner with modern features and strong performance, the ZAFRO 8000 BTU Portable AC should definitely be on your shortlist.